watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video is another try-on haul. And today's video is a cottagecore haul. I know you've been requesting this for a long time na. I've researched some information about cottagecore and ito yung pinaka-meaning niya. Ayan siya. But I also researched mga hauls about it. So this is not my first time or first impression about cottagecore. And I believe cottagecore is like a farm life or something in the woods. Parang ganun yung vibe niya or like picnic vibe. So itong mga clothes na ipapakita ko, perfect siya for picnic dates or perfect siya for tea parties. Yung mga ganong kind of vibe, mga garden, fairy and everything, whimsical vibes, something like that. And also touch of vintage na rin. I also focused on one cottagecore aesthetic, and that is the floral print. Para magamit nyo rin siya if gusto nyo for summer vibes, gusto nyo naka long dress kayo or naka maxi dress kayo, then this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's start this video. So aside sa floral, alam ko marami pang iba't ibang klase or nasa category ng cottagecore, and that is mga gingham, also mga lace and mga fruity kind of pattern, and also this floral and mga silk. Ayan, the one that I'm wearing. So lahat ng nakuha ko nga pala, galing sila sa isang shop lang, and this is sponsored by Mayfly. So thank you so much Mayfly for sponsoring this video. I kinda went out of my comfort zone kasi I'm really not a floral type of person. I'm more on the animal prints, pero hindi ako ma-floral print. So this is probably the kind of video na I'll be seeing kung bagay ba talaga sa akin yung cottagecore, and dito ko malalaman if I'll get into that vibe. Let's start off with the first one, and that is the one that I am wearing. So this is a cottagecore vibe, or a pass to a cottagecore vibe to me, because it is a silk material, and what I love about it is yung puff sleeves niya that made it more like a farm aesthetic, picnic vibes, or yung mga tea parties. Ganun yung style na itong puff sleeves na to. Dati, hindi talaga ako fan ng puff sleeves, but now, seeing myself with puff sleeves, parang feeling ko, palagi ko na siyang susuotin kasi sobrang lakas maka-feminine and makababa itong look na to. Very girly talaga yung style ng parang puff sleeves, very elegant, vintage vibes. I got it in the color white. Wala nang ibang variation aside sa white. And to be honest, medyo malalaki yung sizes neto sa akin. For reference lang, I am 5'2", and yung bust ko is 32. And talagang in-adjust ko pa yung mga dito sa area na to para mag-fit siya ng ganyan. Also the waist, although this is the smallest size already. So inalter ko pa to, guys. Yun lang, take note of that. Sobrang high quality niya. And lahat ng mga dresses na nakuha ko sa shop nila, although medyo on the pricier side siya, pero masasabi ko talaga na sobrang high quality talaga. And sulit talaga yung ibabayad nyo dito sa mga dresses na to. Kasi hindi lang siya for one-time use. Kasi ito yung mga dresses na pwede mo suotin on a multiple occasion. First time kong magkaroon ng ganitong fabric na silk na makapal siya. Hindi siya yung totally pure silk na bagsak na bagsak. Talagang meron din siyang form and high quality talaga siya. Itong white dress na to, I believe na you can never have too many white dress kasi I'm really obsessed with wearing white dress lately. Kasi plain white lang kasi madali siyang i-accessorize, tapos pwede siya for casual and pwede rin siya for formal wear. It's actually lahat ng kinuha ko dito floral para applicable din siya if gusto nyong pang beach vibes or summer vibes tong mga dresses na to. Start tayo sa pinaka-short. And this is a navy blue na puff sleeve dress. Hindi siya fitted. Flowy lang din siya. Ito very feminine siya para sa akin. And ganyan yung floral details niya. White lang. It also has ribbons on the side para kayo na lang bahala mag-adjust dito kung gaano kalaki yung arms nyo. Ayan siya. Ayan. Maganda to, guys, kasi may kasama siyang zipper sa likod, and onting garter din siya, so very stretchable din. Sa fabric itself niya, hindi stretchable, pero what's good about this dress is may onting stretch siya dito. Ayan, kita niyo naman, may parang bustier top right here, kasi ayun nyo, may lining siya na ganyan. So I really like it. Parang may form or yung may structure yung area ng boob nyo. And this is a square cut top, so it's really flattering for those who want to flex their collarbones and everything. And yung length niya, parang feel ko, pwedeng-pwede siya pang church wear or something very modest. Ito, wala akong alter na ginawa dito sa dress na to. As in, super ganda neto. This is like a old rose blush pink or old rose na long dress. What I love about this dress is saktong-sakto lang yung fit niya. Basta yung kinuha ko lagi, kung yung smallest dun sa variations nila is small yung kukuhanin ko. Pero if merong extra small yung kinukuha ko. Meron siyang garter dito sa likod, katulad nung blue dress na pinakita ko kanina. Ayan. And then, meron din siyang zipper. So, it's easier for you to wear the dress. Puff sleeves din siya. And ang cute din ng floral details niya na parang pastel yellow. So, I really like this dress. I feel like wala pa ako masyadong mga muted pink colors kasi alam niyo naman ako dati ang kinokollect ko talaga sa wardrobe ko is mga vibrant colors, and now I'm leaning towards the muted lang. If ever may colors man, gusto ko more on the pastel side para mas cute. So I highly recommend this dress, although it's a bit pricey, pero I promise you that you will get what you pay for naman. Ito, favorite ko rin to, and wala rin akong alter na ginawa dito. Super ganda neto. As in, nakikita ko siya, nasuot-suot ko sa mga museum. Feeling ko kasi ay may walking painting dito. Abstract painting dress. Ito siya, super nice. Ay, baliktad. Ayan, super nice neto. As in, ang lakas maka-vintage vibes yung feels niya. Pero yung tama lang na manipis din for summer, ganon. Yung zipper niya or yung pinakabukasan niya nandito sa sides. Ayan, may zipper siya dito sa sides para hindi kayo mahirapan. Kasi itong dress na to, talagang hindi siya stretchy. So, make sure nyo talaga na kunin niyo yung right size para sa inyo. This one, I'm so happy na wala akong ginawang alter dito. And hindi rin talaga tinipid yung puff sleeves nito. Sobrang flattering niya talaga. Now, for our next dress, ito mas more on the summery vibe siya than cottagecore. Kasi I believe if cottagecore ka, talagang yung color scheme or yung color palette na you're going for is something more of the muted or like nature vibe or pastel colors if you want to add or incorporate colors to your outfit. Ito kasi medyo more on the vibrant side siya. So, feeling ko nasa summer vibes na siya. And this one is a yellow dress. Meron din siyang puff sleeves right here, as you can see. And then, meron siyang ruffle details. Gustong-gusto ko yung shop nila kasi what you see is what you get talaga. Meron din siya ka-adjustan dito sa sides. Ayan. Ayan. So, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Kasi nga yung tela niya, hindi talaga stretchy. Ang stretchy lang dito is yung dito sa may shoulder part. Kung saan, kung gusto nyo off-shoulder, kung gusto nyo yung pa-square cut. Actually, hindi siya square cut, pa-v-neck pala siya, no? Ayan, no? So, you can see right there. Ayan. Kung mayroon kayong a-attendan na cottagecore or floral yung theme, this would really pass the vibe and sobrang ganda talaga. So, this one is a long dress na meron siyang slit here. Super ganda ng slit niya. Wala siyang lining na extra sa loob. So, make sure na magsuot kayo ng shorts if you want. Ang gusto ko dito is itong off-shoulder type niya. Kasi ang ganda-ganda talaga ng pagka-off-shoulder niya. Tapos salong-salo pa yung pinaka-boob area. Parang may bustier effect right here. Although meron siyang ribbon right here. Pero hindi po siya na-adjust. I just wish na parang na-adjust yun dito sa area na to, tapos nasi-cinch in nyo kung gaano kalaki yung pinaka-chest area nyo. Yung ribbon niya, pang design lang talaga, but it's okay naman. I love the puff sleeves kasi talagang puff sleeves talaga siya. Kita niyo ba? Meron siyang structure talaga. Wala akong alterations na ginawa dito sa dress na to. Ay, hindi. Except dito sa may area ng armpits kasi parang medyo maluwag siya nung gumaganon ako dun sa pinaka sleeve area niya. Parang medyo maluwag yung dito sa area na yon. But overall, super nice. And meron din siyang adjustan dito. Ayan, para hindi kayo mahirapan. I'm 5'2" and mahaba talaga siya. So, make sure you wear heels. Or kung gusto nyo naman, sa beach nyo na lang siya suotin. Ganon. And for formal events naman, make sure to wear heels. Kasi medyo mahaba siya for a 5'2" reference lang. Pero, I don't mind. Mas okay nga sa akin yung sobra. Sa kanilang lahat, ito lang yung naiba. Ito yung medyo mas makapal yung pinaka-fabric niya. Last dress naman, ito, super nice na to. It really gives me like a Bridgerton vibes. There was a time na na-addict talaga ako sa Bridgerton and I wanted to rewatch some episode. Kasi ang gaganda ng aesthetic ng mga dresses nila. As in, ang ganda ng mga dresses ni Daphne. Like, sobrang cute ng mga puff sleeves dress nila. And ang cute ng pinaka-bustier effect dito sa mga dresses nila. Tapos, cinch in na cinch in yung mga waist nila. Tapos ayan, that's why I did a Bridgerton. Actually, hindi naman ganito yung hairstyle ni Daphne, pero I did a Bridgerton inspired kind of hairstyle na parang nagpa-ribbon effect ako dyan. Nag-effort talaga ako dito sa haul na to because Cottagecore. Going back to our last item, so this one is a long dress as well. And what I love about this dress is it gave me the Daphne kind of vibe dun sa Bridgerton kasi super nice. I feel like this is the perfect tea party dress or perfect picnic date outfit. Like, sobrang lakas maka-girly vibes nito. Pero it's up to you kung gusto nyong itali sa bawat sides. Pero I like it that way na bagsak lang siya. As well as this one, ayan, bagsak lang din siya. Yung second lining niya sa loob, makikita nyo na hanggang dito lang siya. So, pagdating dito, medyo see-through na yung legs nyo. Pero above the knee, meron siyang lining. So, which is really great. I feel like mas cute tignan yung ganon. Comes with a puff sleeves then. It's up to you if you wanna wear it as a off-shoulder or kung gusto nyo yung pa-square cut. But I'll definitely wear it as a square cut. Parang mas feel ko yung may puff sleeves effect dito. So, super nice na tong dress na to. So, that's about it for this haul. I know it's just short and wala naman ako super dami pinakita sa inyo. But I really enjoyed picking out these dresses and sharing it with you guys. I'm really happy na I did it and finally na share ko na sa inyo yung selections ko when it comes to Cottagecore. Ito yung mga suggestions ko and mga selections ko na marirecommend ko talaga sa inyo na magaganda talaga and high quality talaga. So, please do check out Mayfly. Super dami pa nilang designs and to be honest, nahirapan din talaga ako mamili ng top 6 or top 7 na dresses ko from them kasi sobrang dami nilang magagandang dresses do. Sana na-enjoy niyo tong video na to as much as I did. So, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!